finally went to Team Lab Planets, and as expected, it was beautiful but extremely full of people, even on the weekday. やっと Team Lab Planets 行きました。人だらけでしたけど、すごく綺麗。特にこの辺、本当の花だよ。It's real flowers. It was so beautiful. Sculpture time. Plaster. And cats. Token. 自転車のシール増えましたと、ふみふみタイム。More stickers and kitty time. とも初代々木公園行きました。Tomo's first time. I ain't got it. 持ってないよ。Vegan ramen. 美味しかった。And I saw Yuri A. Collins at Tokyo Comedy Bar. 猫。ルルくん、ストレッチ。猫草、美味しい。Went to Ibaraki and saw these beautiful mountains and clouds from the train. 綺麗。景色が。Boys! もう一回シール増えました。I got more stickers again. 静香ちゃん and my own design. Nice. I got this new rice pot from Le Creuset and I haven't used my炊飯器 for about a month or more. 最高美味しい。炊飯器全然使ってない最近。Dudu was so afraid of people, even me and Tomo, but about a month ago, I just pet him during treat time and he didn't run away and he started purring. So now I can pet him every day during treat time and he loves it. ルル君飼ってからすごく人間怖くて、私とトモでも1ヶ月ぐらい前慣れるようになりました。おめでとうルル君。ゴロゴロしてるルル君。Welcome to Shibuya. Don't judge my way of doing this. I just like coffee. I'm not a pro or a geek, okay? 私の作り方悪いかもしれないけど、コーヒーだけ好きやろ? Ooh, exciting. 松田。お、すごい。リンゴだ。梨？リンゴ？リンゴ。いいね。リンゴですよ。お肉好きですか？美味しいやつ。お肉だ。
あれナシのかわいいCute. Yay, broccoli. What do you think, Chloe? Wow, what is this? Oh my goodness. Wow. Fantastic. ニンニク、人参、大根。Oops, a little broccoli. Okay, what's this? お、さつまいもだ。すごい大きい。Big さつまいも。Japanese sweet potato. And 白菜。Nice.
I have an exhibition soon. Look at my cat.
暖かいね。
見てくれてありがとうございます。